Hello everybody, welcome to Deep Dive Tech. Today we are going to go over the top 10 home office gadgets. Make sure you watch until the end. Kindly subscribe to the channel and click on the bell button. Working from home might seem like a great idea on paper. Without any office-provided desk, mouse, keyboard, or internet, that's a lot of gear to buy for just the basics. The good news is we know a thing or two about working from home and the best tech to get you through the day. Read on for the best home office equipment you'll need for working from home. Logitech MX Master 3. When you're working at home, you can't let your computer accessories slow you down. The Logitech MX Master 3 certainly won't. This is a mouse designed to make your work go as smoothly as possible, with a sensor that can track on just about any surface and bells and whistles that go even further. You won't want to go back to your laptop's trackpad after this. The ergonomics of the MX Master 3 will leave your hand feeling extra comfortable, helping avoid tightness that can begin to wear on you by the end of the day and work week. The mouse also makes navigation easy thanks to a scroll wheel that knows when you're trying to scroll quickly or slowly, or a side scroll wheel and 2 thumb buttons, as well as a gesture button you can customize to suit your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our future amazing tech videos.